enjoy everybody running around and making a warm atmosphere, even though it's a digital experience. That we have a functioning stream, a translation, and a conference portal that's running with chats and videos and conferencing. It's actually like almost a real conference, and I'm totally impressed by that.
I can really feel the really positive spirit of the people here, helping to build bridges between Germany and the Eastern Partnership countries, but also in the countries itself. And I'm really optimistic when it comes to fostering the cooperation, because I've seen many good intents and good ideas so far.
I think it is nice to see that, especially in this case, the civil society is very much engaged.
We are all fighting the same fights, so it's very important to take this time and really see who's doing the same thing and take this inspiration and also learn from them.
I think it is really inspiring how quickly WECHANGE switched everything to online, and now we are here at the conference seeing everybody connecting with each other and talking in the coffee rooms, how people are already networking and trying to uphold civil society cooperation despite all really difficult circumstances. That's really nice to see.
It was difficult to find ways and strategies how to implement all the things that you normally do offline and have been practiced the whole 2 years. How can we implement that online? That was quite challenging.
You have some really nice tools when you talk directly to people, and like votings and like breakout rooms. It makes it very easy to work on smaller groups and to organize workshops. They get more effective actually, but they are less personal.
What is great that we are not spending too much CO2, for example, by flying from different countries and coming to Berlin. We can invite speakers and moderators that usually would not come probably to Berlin, and it's a big step to decreasing of the CO2 emission and sustainable way of using the resources that we have.